Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking.
What's up, YouTuber? This is Dog Traveler, and today I'm gonna be doing a seafood paella o una paella de marisco para Easter. So let me show you what are the ingredients that you need to do this seafood paella or paella de marisco. You need a paella pan or any frying pan will do. Well, I have my paella pan for a long time and we use it today. Some bomba rice or calabaza rice, basil rice work too, some virgin oil, extra virgin oil, some saffron, pimentón de la vera, clam juice, some onions, tomatoes, green peppers, some clams, piquillo peppers, very delicious, very good, give it a nice flavor to the paella, garlic, some scallops, some squid with ink, and some shrimps, and more squids.
Let's start by making the sofrito. Spanish sofrito, Italian sofrito literally means lightly fried. This is the Spanish version of sofrito. There are many different variations, usually a fresh mixture of onions, pepper, garlic, cilantro, ajíes dulces, culantro, tomatoes, and red pepper. Quickly chop it into a fine paste in a food processor. For paella, just chop some garlic, some tomatoes, some green or red pepper, as small as possible. So let's hit the Spanish extra virgin olive oil. We're going to saute or simmer the sofrito. So add the olive oil to the paella pan or a skillet over medium heat. No paella pan is needed. You can use a regular large skillet for this easy recipe. Saute or simmer the chopped piquillo peppers, onions, green peppers, tomatoes, and garlic. Saute until the onion is translucent. Add some pimentón de la vera or de la dahlia, smoked paprika will do. A pinch of saffron and salt. Stir and cook for 5 minutes. What is paella? Paella is a classic Spanish white dish made with rice, saffron, vegetables, chicken, and seafood cooked and served in one pan. Although paella originated from Valencia, is recognized as the national food of Spain, and there are several different varieties. I know how to do a couple of them. You can check my other videos where I do a black paella. Let's start adding all the seafood. It doesn't matter the order you add it to the pan, as long as you simmer them good and start releasing all their flavor to that pan, because we're going to infuse that bomba or calabaza rice that we are going to add later. I cut the squid or the big calamaris in bite sizes. I've left the head and the tentacles intact because it will give a visual appealing to this paella. I added the clams and the scallop at the end. This is to give a weight to the other seafood in the pan and help them simmer better. Drop those 2 cans of calamari in their ink. This will give this paella an appealing color but also a lot of flavor, as the ink of the calamari infuses salinity to the paella. Start stirring and mixing all together. Simmer for over 5 minutes on medium heat. Now that you have all that seafood infused broth of deliciousness with the sofrito in the paella pan, or just skillet of preference, pour that calabaza or bomba rice to get infused. Bada bing bada boom, it's looking and smelling delicious already. Stir, mix, whatever you want to call it, pour everything all over together. It's a mejunje of everything of deliciousness. Just as you want to get that rice infused with that seafood broth, okay? Bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low. They say don't move it anymore, so you can create what paella is also famous for, called sogarat. It's a crispy texture that is not a burnt rice, just crispy texture. I added a little bit more of pimentón de la vera after tasting the flavor, a little bit of salt, mix it all together, and keep on cooking it. Yes, I'm aware that in some recipes and a lot of chefs, you're forbidden to stir in the rice. But you know what, I like to stir stuff. It looks and smells delicious. I mix it a little bit more and let it cook for 10 more minutes.
Well, this paella is done. I'm gonna serve it to my guests. Thank you for watching. This is the Traveler, and buen provecho.